Fix in 5. P0532 A. C refrigerant pressure sensor circuit low input, ECM detected abnorma. Medium severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Malfunction indicator light, MIL, illuminated on dashboard. C compressor non-functional or shutting off unexpectedly during operation. Reduced C cooling capacity or no cold air output. Condenser cooling fan behaving erratically. C system inactive with no cooling function. Now the most likely causes. Or disconnected A. C pressure sensor connector, most common cause. Defective or miscalibrated refrigerant pressure sensor. Damaged or broken wiring between sensor and ECM. Failure in PCM/ECM circuit responsible for sensor signal reading. Insufficient A. C refrigerant charge resulting in low system pressure. What does it cost? Roughly €35.85 doing it yourself, or €155.205 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it. Clean or replace A. C pressure sensor connector. Apply dielectric grease to contacts for corrosion prevention. Replace defective refrigerant pressure sensor if voltage reading does not correspond to actual system pressure. Repair or replace damaged wiring between sensor and ECM if continuity test fails. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask. Is it safe to drive with P0532? Short trips may be possible with P0532 active, but extended driving is not recommended. A medium-severity fault like this can worsen over time and lead to additional damage or failures. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device. Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0532. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.